Story time.
The tale of the forgotten toys. In a cozy little house, tucked away in a quiet neighborhood, lived a group of toys who had once been loved dearly. There was Teddy, a fluffy bear with a worn-out smile, Bella, a beautiful doll with a tangled mane, and Leo, a brave toy soldier with a chipped paint job. But as time went by, the children grew up, and the toys were placed on a high shelf, forgotten and dusty. One rainy afternoon, as the sound of raindrops pattered against the window, Teddy sighed. "Do you remember the fun we had? The adventures we went on?" Bella nodded. "I miss the laughter and the stories we shared. It feels so lonely up here." Leo, ever the brave one, said, "Maybe we can have our own adventure right here. Let's explore the shelf." With a united spirit, the toys decided to jump down. They carefully climbed off the shelf, landing softly on the floor. Excited, they looked around the room that had once been their playground. "Let's have a treasure hunt," suggested Teddy. They remembered how the children used to hide little surprises around the room. With a new sense of purpose, they began their quest. They searched high and low, peeking behind books and under the couch. After a while, Leo spotted something shiny under the coffee table. "Look! A shiny marble," he exclaimed. The toys gathered around, marveling at their find. "Let's keep looking," Bella encouraged. Soon they discovered a forgotten toy train, a colorful puzzle piece, and even a few old crayons. As they collected their treasures, they heard a soft creaking sound. Curious, they turned to see a little girl standing in the doorway. Her eyes widened in surprise. "Mom! Look what I found," she shouted, pointing to the toys. The toys froze, unsure of what would happen next. But the girl's face lit up with joy. She rushed over, scooping up Teddy, Bella, and Leo. "I missed you all so much," she exclaimed, hugging them tightly. With a little dusting and some love, the toys were restored to their former glory. That evening, the girl took them outside to play in the rain, splashing in puddles and having the time of their lives. From that day forward, the forgotten toys were never left alone again. They became the girl's favorite companions, joining her on countless adventures, both real and imaginary. And so, Teddy, Bella, and Leo learned that even when they felt forgotten, love has a way of finding its way back home.
The end.
Subscribe to my channel.